Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your device is online and your browser updated. This prevents failures when saving shortcuts. Open Translate. Google, in Chrome, or launch the Google Translate app on mobile. Once the page loads, pick the languages you'll use most so the shortcut opens ready. Make sure to set source or auto-detect and target language. These settings save time when you reopen from the home screen. Now you're ready for the next quick steps. You'll now create the actual shortcut. If you use Chrome, tap the three-dot menu, choose Add to Home Screen, then confirm the icon and label. Chrome creates a web app-style shortcut. On iPhone with Safari, tap the Share button, scroll to Add to Home Screen, then tap Add. Once added, the icon appears among your apps. Press and hold to move it. Editing the name to a concise label makes it easier to spot. This ensures instant access next time. You finish by testing the shortcut. Tap the icon, confirm it launches Google Translate with your preferred languages and functions. If it only opens a generic browser page, delete and recreate the shortcut using the browser's Add to Home Screen option instead of a bookmark. If the icon doesn't respond, make sure your browser or Translate app is updated and clear cache. Sometimes a stale cache blocks web app behavior. Restarting the device off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.